What's up guys, AK Crazy Russian with you today, and I'm doing very quick lunch, literally like 15 minutes. So I have 3 pieces of bacon, my tomato, actually I'm growing here on the deck, 2 or 3 depends, eggs, and a cheddar cheese. Again, cheese, that's good for me. If you like cheese, you can pretty much double of that amount. It should be good. And I'm going to cook it on iron cast large skillet. And this is my MHP Modern Home Product gas grill. Should be good. With a spoon I took some fat out, but I still want that fat because tomatoes and eggs will be cooked very good here. I added tomatoes, and guys, the taste, you just do it how you like it. I like those tomatoes not cooked really well and kind of runny eggs, but again, it depends how you like it. Alright, good time to add those eggs. There we go. One and second one. Oh, good. There you go. I added crushed red pepper or whatever guys you like, and I'm putting cheese right now. This is it, pretty much 2 more minutes and it's done. I don't have really time frame for anything, I'm just on the go, how it looks, and that's how I'm calculating everything. Ooh, should be good. I will do more quick recipes, and this is looks good, smells good, man. So just in a minute I'll put it on the plate. Thanks for watching, supporting channel. Have a good one.